Do you need a niche for your cleaning company, and does it really help your sales? My name is Michael Brown. I'm the founder of Swept Software and former janitorial business owner. And in this video, I'm going to talk about why you should have a niche for your cleaning company, when and how you should pick it, and most importantly, how to leverage it into more sales. The janitorial industry is extremely competitive, and having any kind of edge in marketing and sales can help you win more profitable contracts. When I owned my cleaning company, I loved to focus on daycares. That was our first niche. It helped me build my brand and reputation, as well as get an edge when cold calling and during the walkthrough. So yes, having a niche really pays off. A lot of people ask me when and how they should pick a niche. Some people recommend picking a niche when you start your cleaning company so you can build your brand around it from day one. I disagree with that approach, because when I started my cleaning company, I didn't know what types of contracts I liked or I was even good at. Also, I learned that some contracts are easier to find staff for where others can be more challenging. So my recommendation is to win a handful of contracts and learn from them. For instance, I was not a big fan of cleaning restaurants. Those contracts often required 7 days a week of cleaning. The service took place in the middle of the night. It was really difficult to find employees to work those hours. There's very little room for error when cleaning restaurants. However, I have clients who use Swept and they love cleaning for restaurants. It is their niche and they're incredibly successful. So all that to say, a lot goes into finding the type of contracts and clients that you enjoy working with, so it's a really individual preference. Now, once you've decided on a niche, here are the 5 steps to win more contracts. Step 1 is get Google reviews. You need to build some trust and credibility. A quick, easy, and free way to do that is by asking your current clients to write Google reviews. Don't forget, you can ask those exact customers for referrals. They may know other businesses in their industry that they could just do a quick intro. Lucky for you, I created another video on building a referral engine, so check that out on our Swept YouTube channel. Step 2 is search for targets on Google and LinkedIn. Now, once you define that niche, it's really easy to go find target clients because you're so focused. Go on Google and make a list of all the businesses in your area that fit and put them in a spreadsheet. I recommend including the business name, website, email address, and the owner's name and contact. Once you have the owner's name, you can go on LinkedIn and Facebook and see if you have anyone in common. There could be a direct intro. It doesn't take a lot of time to create this list, but it will pay off. Step 3, create your call script and email template. Before reaching out, you need a plan. The whole reason for picking a niche is because you know the type of contract really well. You've been successful in it. So use that experience to build trust and get your foot in the door. Think about this. What's unique about their business? For me, I always brought up that my cleaners love cleaning the small toilets at daycares. Most people don't know this, but daycares have small toilets for the kids. And when I mentioned this to that potential client, they realized that I truly do know how to clean their space. I understand their needs. Basically, you picked a niche for a reason, so don't be generic and sound like all the other cleaning companies. Step 4 is outreach and follow-up. Once you have a script, it's time to get to work. Call, email, request intros, knock on their door. You must put in the effort to get the opportunity. A lot of people fail at this step, and they say it's because they're not good at sales. But I can tell you, anyone can learn sales, and you are better positioned than all of your competitors because this is your niche. So be polite, keep following up, and earn the opportunity to do a walkthrough. Step 5 is to build your brand. Once you have a niche, put it on your website, put it on your business card. When you talk to people about your business, mention it. For example, start referring to your business as the #1 daycare cleaning company in the city. No one is going to market your business for you, and you have to be the biggest champion. So to recap, here are 5 steps to winning more contracts with your niche. Step 1, get Google reviews. Step 2, search for targets on Google and LinkedIn. Step 3, create your call script and email template. Step 4, outreach and follow up. And step 5, build your brand. Once again, it's a pleasure to share these tips to help you grow your cleaning company without spending a dime. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel to learn more ways to grow your revenue and become a better managed cleaning company.